Welcome to Shenzhen Huiyun Electronic Technology Company, Limited, Guangdong Province. Our GETTINGWIN Hong Kong factory is located in Bao'an District, Shenzhen, where you can start your journey of smart electronic manufacturing. This is a manufacturer that focuses on PCBA customization and production, patch and service. We strictly follow a rigorous and meticulous work style. Our factory has top-notch mounting equipment, which completes component mounting with micron-level precision, with both efficiency and precision. Precise temperature-controlled reflow soldering technology ensures that the solder joints are firm and reliable. Full process intelligent detection, from optical scanning to X-ray high-efficiency point feeding machine, eliminates quality risks, ensures quality and quantity, and completes every product task assigned by customers. Strictly follow ISO standards. From production to delivery, every step is refined. Our Hong Kong factory drives development with innovation and wins trust with quality. Looking forward to working with you to create a new future for electronic smart manufacturing.